all the possible problems were foreseen because of age, and they have checkmated all the problems.
The tumor about 10 inches long. When we heard that, I was of course very scared. October 4th, went for a surgery. I went very happy because I was sure that I'm in good hands. And then.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soundappan, surgical gastroenterologist from Royal Care Super Speciality Hospital. My area of specialty is HPB and GI Oncology. Today we have Rajam Unni with us. Why we are having the video today is age is not a barrier for getting operated for major surgeries, especially for GI cancers. So why I am saying this is for certain diseases, surgery would be the right treatment, and once we do it properly, it gives a good post-operative outcome and the lifestyle becomes completely normal. Initially her symptoms were abdominal distension, and she had been to quite a few doctors and they had initially diagnosed it as some kind of cyst in the abdomen, but still the size seemed to be growing. When she came to us, we did a set of tests and we diagnosed it to be a very rare entity called Pseudomyxoma Peritonei, which is a rare form of mucinous tumor from the appendix that slowly secretes some jelly-like substance which fills the entire abdomen, and the treatment of which is a major surgery where we'll have to completely remove that Pseudomyxoma Peritonei, remove the part of the appendix, and we should be using a type of treatment called HIPEC, so which is the usage of chemotherapy in the abdomen so that it destroys the cancer cells in the abdomen. So she underwent the surgery and she is with us after 1.5 years. I would like to hear from her how she had her journey through in Royal Care and how she is currently.
Good afternoon. I'm Rajam Unni, 77 years. I want to share a part of my life, a journey which tested my strength and in every way, and another journey which I would not have been able to go through without the expertise from Royal Care Hospital. One day I had just gone for a general checkup, and then they said there's some cyst, tumor about 10 inches long. When we heard that, I was of course very scared because till that time I never had any problem, no medicines, nothing. Then Dr. Soundappan from Royal Care staying in our building, so we approached him because we didn't know anything. Then once he came, and Dr. Soundappan, the lead surgeon, Dr. Shivakumar and Dr. Sudhakaran, the oncologist, all three of them with other doctors together made a proper way how to go about it, and Dr. Soundappan explained to us each step what they will do. And then when he was explaining, I understood because I wanted that thing to go. And then we did a lot of tests. The doctors advised all the tests. October 4th, went for a surgery. I went very happy because I was sure that I'm in good hands, and then I was not scared. And then when I came back, when I opened my eyes, I was in some of somewhere full of lights. Then I understood it was ICU too. There also the doctors and nurses, all of them staff were very pleasant and always next to me. If I needed any help, and they were always consoling me. It was very nice experience. Then that time my husband and my daughter were staying in the hospital when I was recovering. There also the staff, the doctors, nurses, all were very helpful. When somebody say you are scared, you are little not happy, they were always consoling them that nothing is wrong, everything is fine. Then from there I came to 6th floor to my ward. Then also it was a different experience, but doctors, they visited every morning and evening. It gave me confidence that somebody is there to look after me. I'm not scared at all. Some doctors, they are so busy. From their busy schedule, they took out some short time to come and talk to us, like Dr. Praveen, Dr. Varun. When somebody talks to you, I feel very nice. Each one had the different ways of talking. It was very nice. Then when we were going back, when we went back, that was little hard because physically and emotionally nothing wrong, but we went back, and then Dr. Soundappan, who is with us in the building, he kept finding out and giving me comfort, nothing is wrong. It was really, really very nice. And then second surgery I went back, but thing is, the hospital is so human. There are so many patients, but we never felt that it was overcrowded. Comfortable to move around everywhere, and everybody was good. And even now, this time when I come, I have to come for post review checkup with Dr. Sudhakaran every 3 months. When I come, I don't feel that I'm going to some like a hospital. I feel comfortable to come. Now that after it's almost about 1.5 years, now I'm back to my routine, all thanks to Dr. Soundappan and his team. And I've already made some trips, some to Kashmir, then to Bhubaneswar, all that. And I never felt, tired, I was full. Such strength is there, but I keep troubling Dr. Soundappan now and then, find out if it is okay if I call him, because now we are going to America 22nd. I already took his permission. If I have any problem, I will call him. He said, "Well, it's okay." It's very nice, the feeling, what you say, when you think of all these people, doctors and all that, feel very, very nice. And I really thank Dr. Soundappan and his team and the hospital for taking care of me and giving me a new life, second life. Maybe I will live some more. Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
I would like also to say a few words what my wife said actually. In nutshell, I got to say, it is a second life, my opinion. I think she underwent a lot of problems initially, but then the way it was done by Dr. Soundappan and the team, that all the possible problems were foreseen because of age, and they have checkmated all the problems in a beautiful way. Dr. Soundappan called us to the briefing room and he was smiling. My smile means everything. The patient is fine. At the end of the surgery also, Dr. Shivakumar called me and Dr. Soundappan also were there, and they were smiling. The smile answered me that she's very, very comfortable. Because I used to joke with Soundappan, what have you put in your body? I have a new wife, more energetic, more witty, more confident. Amazing. The hospital is fantastic. All credit to my the doctor who initiated it and who steered it, and the entire operation, Dr. Soundappan. A very big thanks to him for a wonderful care he has taken. I'm very happy. Anyway, thank you, Dr. Soundappan, for giving me a much better wife than before. Thanks a lot.